Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Duppy will come in. Full story. There was a young man walking one night. He was under rum, so he felt nice. He saw a Coca-Cola bottle-shaped woman walking in the same direction that he was going. He decided to give her a talk, so he tried to catch up to her. All him try to catch her up, him couldn't catch her up. The woman pass him yard, so him give up and gonna him yard. As him reach in and put him foot in a him house, him get a strange feeling and looked back.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
That's when he saw the same woman behind him. He was so frightened that he screamed out, "Jump inside and lock him door." He stayed up whole night fretting. He never saw her again. After that happened, he was very careful when approaching women, especially at night.
Like, follow, and share Jamaican True Stories for more.